everybody, and welcome to part 2 of the vision board videos. I am here sitting at my desk, but don't worry, we will jump to my vision board immediately. So now we're going to explain some things of what my thought process was for this vision board a year ago. Okay, so first off, I wanted to write a book, and I put an inspirational quote there. This, check. I did that. Grandma's Magic Blanket. Awesome! Flow Studio. I was thinking of starting a dance studio for a bunch of girls that had a lot of wonderful dance talent, but that fell through because it ended up not being something I was super passionate about. I love the idea and I still want to do it one day, but this became more important to me. This was just something that I didn't know what to put in the middle, so I put progress report, which was a bad idea. Do not do a progress report. Because it kills the joy, it kills the magic, it kills the fact that, this is a process. This doesn't take one day. This takes time for you to really figure out what you want to do, and it takes time, and you shouldn't put any progress reports on your vision boards. Arbonne, I wanted to, build strength, which was I wanted to get fit, I wanted to focus on my body, be healthier, so I joined Arbonne, and I learned a lot about nutrition and stuff like that. I still am in Arbonne, so it wasn't for not what my focus is right now, but it was a good decision. And then grow Instagram and YouTube. Both of them, I've been growing my YouTube channel a little bit at a time, so that became a focus, and Instagram really became a focus. Look, I used to only have 8 followers, and they were all just my friends. So in the end, this vision board was about 4 different things. About writing my book, a flow dance studio, growing my social media, and building health and strength for my body. What I did for my new vision board that I'm upgrading right now is that I've started to focus on these 2 top things: my social media and my book. This is the old vision board, and now it's time for the new vision board. Say goodbye. Let me start the explanation with left to right. First off, these are my 4 core desires from the book, The Desire Map. From that book, I read and picked my 4 desires, put them on here as an affirmation, reminder, and a reason why I'm doing all of this. Around the board, I have Instagram, YouTube, 2 platforms that I'm on and that I'm growing my families on because I want to reach more people and share my story. My family, that's my mom, Mommy. My family, who is a huge part of my life and one of the biggest reasons why I want to do so well in this world and be a better person. I have my book, Grandma's Magic Blanket, that shows that I can and will achieve my goals if I push hard enough and really work for them. And that is what all that means to me. I have my 4 core desires, what I want to feel when I'm creating my book world, and what I want to manifest all around that. My life, my family, my social media platforms, reminders, and my books. My agent. So in order to create my book series, I've tried self-publishing, but it wasn't my thing. I didn't really enjoy it. And I've always loved the idea of being traditionally published. So I'm looking for agents. And I wanted to write a letter to my future agent, manifesting my desire to have an agent for my book series. From my core desires to manifesting the agent for my book series to this. So first off, I've made this little letter holder and it's awful. I am not good at origami, I find out during this whole thing. But what is in here is I have all 12 months. I painted different envelopes to match the seasonal changes. Each envelope contains an affirmation, a quote from either a book I really enjoyed or a quote that I just really liked from anything. It contains a little bit of motivation for me, and also it tells me to
re-manifest my 4 core desires to make sure that I'm really manifesting my vision board and trying my best to bring this all to life. It's basically every month at the beginning of the month I open one envelope according to the month and I read everything that's inside of it and re-evaluate what happened last month. How did I do? Did I reach enough agents? Do I need to reach more agents? Did I get an agent? And I just really go back to, am I feeling alive? Am I feeling creative? Am I beaming with love? Am I powerful? Is this happening every month when I'm trying to get agent for my book series? This is my entire vision board. I created the design myself. Obviously, it's not super perfect. It's not the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, but it really is exactly what I want this year. I want to get an agent for my book series. I want to become a full author and not be a part-time author. I want to create books and have that magic shared with the world, and I want to be traditionally published. So that is what my vision board is manifesting for me this year. And there you have it. That is my vision board. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Join me on Instagram at WriteWithCelia and give me a follow there. Follow my YouTube channel, and I will see you in next week's video. Have a lovely day, and I hope your vision boards turn out to be amazing.